Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's the Multiple Stream King, Laderick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hope all is well, ladies and gentlemen. You are. I wanted to drop a real quick short video, all right, because this business is booming, all right. You're here right now for a reason, all right. First of all, I want to congratulate you on, taking that first step and starting your online business and starting your travel business, starting your home-based business, all right, whatever you want to call it. I'm excited for you, all right, and I'm proud of you, and I commend you, and I salute you, all right, for being part of the 3% who are willing to take a chance on themselves. Okay, so with all that being said, you're here for a reason. Okay, so for the most part, you pretty much have seen all of the information you needed to see, right? And you're struggling to sign up. All right, the sign up process is pretty simple. All right, but for some, you might need a visual. So hey, I'm here to do that for you. Okay, my job, all right, and my goal is to provide value, all right, all over the marketplace. So, all right, we probably joining myself, all right, one of my PNF business partners, all right, whatever the case, all right, whoever sent you to see this video, all right, I want you to follow these simple instructions. Okay, so all you want to do is click the green button. Join now. It's only $20. We're talking about for the price of a pizza. We're talking about a half a tank of gas. Okay. Once you click on that button, it's going to take you here. All right. The best travel business in the world, hands down. All right. Congratulations. You're about to get the best travel deals and business in the world. All right. So your goal right now, you're going to choose your level to get started. Okay. I want to show you this because people are like, hey, what does this mean? Let me clarify for you real quick. It says no. You may not use the same card for more than 3 accounts, including a spouse, business, or child. You may not pay for other people outside of your business or immediate family. Okay, so they're going to allow you, all right, to bring on your spouse or your children. Okay, so once you sign up, you don't want to sign up all 3 people, all right, under your sponsor. No, once you get started, you can actually come in, okay, you can actually sign up your spouse, sign up your business, and sign up your child. Okay, so there's 3 levels. Platinum, the #1 option. Okay, you come in under the Amazing Travel Engine, meaning as soon as you sign up, all right, your discounts are available immediately. You literally can go book a hotel, book a condo immediately in your back office. Okay, you also get access to the Dream Vacation Rewards. Okay, so as a platinum member, after 12 months of you being a platinum member, they're going to give you a $3,000 voucher where you can go to one of the most luxurious hotels, condos in the world. Your choice. You're going to have a $3,000 voucher to do so. Okay. Also, you get 25 telephone interview leads monthly. So they're going to send you leads every single month to help you grow your business. And then the earning potential is up to $10,000 monthly on the residual end. Okay. That's $100. All right. The gold membership. All right. Which is one of the most popular, right? Because it's only $20 to get started. Who doesn't have 20 bucks, right? Which is the reason why I love this business, because so many people are able to get started, because right now they might not only have a 20. You got some that have the $100 and able to get started. Some people say, you know what, man, I got $20 to spend. Boom, they get started. You also get access to the travel engine, meaning you can start saving. All right, book a hotel today. You sign up and say, hey, you know what, I have somewhere to go this weekend. Go into your back office, go book your hotel, and save money instantly. Okay. Only thing you don't get the Dream Vacation Rewards. Okay, until you upgrade, you are able to upgrade later. All right, once you upgrade, you can start getting those vacation rewards. Okay, and then also you don't get the interview leads. All right, if you're joining the Paid in Full family, we're going to show you how to get leads consistently. Okay, and then also the earning potential, the max you can make on the residual end is up to $2,000 monthly on the gold end. Okay, and then this member portal, I know people say, I heard I could join the business for $1. All right, you can. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. The serious folks, the folks really ready to join to get their business going, are coming in under the gold or under the platinum. Under the membership portal for $1, all right, you get access to these things. It's going to auto upgrade you to gold in 30 days. So you might well come as a gold anyway, but you don't get access to the travel engine. Okay, you don't get any discounts, anything of that nature. Only thing you are able to do, you can start building your business right away, but you won't get paid out until you become a gold. Okay, so this is really being a member, coming in at $1 is really just looking at the system and just testing it out. Okay, but you can test it out for 20 bucks and start to receive money right away. Okay, now registration First thing you want to make sure and verify is that you see my name, all right, or that you see the person you're joining up under, all right. If someone Paid in Full Empire sent you this video, make sure you see their name. If you see something and it's not the name, you're like, what? It's like a company name. They probably signed up under their business. If you're undecided, you don't know, hey, is this really them? You know, because you might see my business page. Contact that person. Contact myself and say, hey, just want to verify on the sponsor name. It says XYZ. Is that you? And they confirm yes or no. All right, then you want to choose your membership class. This is very, very, very important. This is what we just talked about. All right, you're either going to select Platinum for $100. You're going to select Gold for $20. All right, other member for $1. Okay, site name. I had a few questions about this because it says website address, and people say, hey, do I need to create a website? No, 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 no. Okay, your website address is just basically your unique name for your website. Okay, like mine is Multiple Stream King. So on my link, it says http multiplestreamking.my1dollarbusiness.com. All right, this is just basically going to be your website address. All right, but you have to create a site name for it, something unique to yourself. Okay, and then this is the access to the website. This is how you're going to get into your back office. Create a username, create a password. All right, create a password that you can remember, ladies and gentlemen, and write it down, put it on a sticky note, or put it on your computer somewhere. All right, your username, I would honestly and truly make it the same as my site name. All right, just to make it simple. Confirm the password and then go on down and put in your basic information. All right, first, last name, date of birth, gender, yada, yada, yada. Your name, email. All right, we do receive checks. All right, you can receive direct deposit. You can receive checks, or you can even receive Bitcoin. But make sure you put in the correct information. And you'll be able to go in your back office and update it as well. Last but not least, you want to make sure that you're putting in the correct security code. If that doesn't look right to you, click on this, change it to something else. Now you know what that is, right? L92CBU. Enter that code. Okay, they just want to confirm that you are human, not a robot. Read the terms and conditions. All right, make sure you click I have read, or you're going to receive an error message like, what's going on? I'm trying to click sign up now. It's because you have to click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. All right, then you go ahead and sign up. At that point, all right, contact your sponsor, let them know you're in. You should receive an email notification verifying all your information. Okay, we're going to add you to our private Facebook training group on Facebook. All right, if you're watching this on YouTube right now because you signed up with myself, my Facebook information below. Simply add me on Facebook. All right, let me know, hey, I'm in, and I will verify your information and add you to our private Facebook training group. Same for one of my Paid in Full members. Just let them know, hey, you signed up. They're going to add you to this private Facebook training group, which is for paid members only. Okay, we're under the health, travel, trade, and credit. All right, after that, we're going to send you our fully loaded training website. Okay, where I'm actually updating this training website daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, you're going to get tons of content, tons of value. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. We're going to help you. Okay, so you definitely want to come here to the Marketing Training 101 to learn the basics, all right, just of internet marketing, period. And then you want to skip over here to the travel, okay? You see health, trade, and credit, that doesn't apply to you, all right? The Paid in Full Empire is under one umbrella, all right? So we are part of the health business, the travel business, the trade, and the credit business. If you're watching this business, this video, you're specifically going to go to the travel business, okay? And that's where you're going to get all of the training for my $20 travel business. Okay, simple, self-explanatory. Again, I want to welcome you to the Paid in Full Empire. All right, and I want to salute you. All right, like I said, for taking a chance on yourself. Our team, our mission, our goal. All right, is one team, one dream, and that's financial freedom. All right, so I'll see y'all at the top, over the top, and inside the training. It's go time. Let's get it.